Hello everyone, I'm Suzanne. I wanted to go over my introduction of who I am and how long I've been in the beauty industry and who I've worked for and what my experience is. I started off in South Africa for a hair company, worked there for three and a half years, and then obviously moved to the US where I didn't work for a while. I then became a cosmetologist and did my career in nails. I worked at a lot of different spas and got a lot of experience within the beauty industry that way. Then moved to Clinique and now to a drugstore. I also was a face painter, so I've had some experience in structure of face. I'm really happy to do these videos. I will be doing hopefully one a week. I am going to encourage anyone who is my age and up to go ahead and use Instagram, go ahead and get stuck into doing YouTube videos. There's a lot of information out there, and I feel like you're missing out on a lot if you're not part of the whole social media group. I also think that the cosmetic industry is moving towards more social media, and one day there won't be someone at a counter at a store who you can rely on to give you some information on a product. I see it already happening in my industry, in my store right now. I see people already having a lot of information. It's important that all information is out there and it is in a good forum. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to hearing from you next time. And if you will leave me a comment or have any information, my Instagram page and information will be at the bottom. I thank you and have a good day.